Redmi Note 11T Pro Plus, 144Hz fast refresh rate display, flagship grade processor, new design language, 64 megapixel triple camera setup, 120W turbo charging, affordable price and many more. Today I will show you the unboxing of the Redmi Note 11T Pro Plus and give you my first impression. Hey guys, Maiky from the techmaiky. Please consider subscribing and turning on the notification by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. We have start with the quick unboxing just to show you the box content. In the box you get the Redmi Note 11T Pro Plus 128 power adapter along with the USB Type-C to A cable. Xiaomi also provided transparent case in the box along with the SIM ejector tool and some documentations. Now let's talk about the design. The Redmi Note 11T Pro Plus is available in 3 colors: Midnight Black, Atomic Silver and a Time Blue. All 3 colors use a different back styles. And this is Time Blue color. Comes with the fluorescent gradient pattern pack. The back cover does not have a strong matte feel to the touch. And the overall feel is very smooth. The camera module adopts a new design and the overall style is best towards the Xiaomi Mi 12 series. But there are differences in the lens placement. The module adopts a metal integrated molding process which improves the degree of resistance to falling. The lens protection ring is added with a bright surface design, which contrasts with the gradient back panel and increases the layering of the pack. The frame is made of plastic material. Fortunately, the frame part of the Redmi Note 11T Pro Plus is also treated with a gradient process, which can still maintain a good feel and look. The thickness of the phone is around 8.85 mm and the weight is around 196 grams. It is more suitable for the one-handed holding. There is a 3.5 mm headphone jack and an infrared sensor on the top, which integrates 2 functions that are rare in the entire mobile phone industry and this price range. On the right side are the volume keys and the power key that supports fingerprint sensor. At the bottom of the phone is the traditional SIM card slot, microphone, Type-C charging port and a bottom firing speaker. Now let's talk about the display. The screen size is 6.6 inches, the resolution is Full HD Plus and the display ratio is 20.5:9. It supports 144Hz 7-speed variable speed, 30, 48, 50, 60, 90 and 144Hz and has obtained the DisplayMate A+ certification. Various data confirm from the site that this should be the LCD screen with the best overall quality in the mobile phone industry in last 2 years. Redmi Note 11T Pro Plus also supports True Color display, Dolby Vision and HDR10+ certifications also, which further improves the viewing experience of the Redmi Note 11T Pro Plus at the software level. Now let's talk about the camera. The Redmi Note 11T Pro Plus is equipped with the set of 3 camera modules, which are a 64 megapixel wide-angle main camera, 8 megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens and the 2 megapixel macro lens. The main camera causes the Samsung GWN sensor. The sensor size is 1 by 1.7 inch outsole. The following are the daytime shot of the Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus. Now let's talk about the performance. In terms of the architecture, the Dimensity 8100 adopts a TSMC's 5nm process and the max CPU speed is around 2.8 GHz. This SoC maintains the same architecture as the Dimensity 9000. This processor is paired with the full-blooded version of the LPDDR5 and the UFS 3.1 high-speed flash memory with the rate of 6400 Mbps per second. You can see the Antutu score. As shown in the figure, Antutu has a comprehensive score of 8,16,279. In terms of gaming performance, we tested the performance of the mobile game through the 2 games, Honor of King and Genshin Impact. Honor of King can only open at 90 FPS at present. Except for the occasional frame fluctuation in the group situation, the game runs almost full frame throughout. The temperature of the front and back of the Honor of King after half an hour of playing around 38.8 and 38.2 degree respectively. The game performance of the Redmi Note 11T Pro Plus is really good. Such heat dissipation performance is also inspirable for the large area of liquid cooled VC inside the body. Let's talk about the battery. Phone comes with 4400 mAh single cell battery. In terms of the charging, the maximum charging power of 120 watt. According to the actual measurement, it only takes 35 minutes to charge the battery from 20 to 100% when using a mobile phone, and only 38% of battery was charged in first 10 minutes. Redmi Note 11T Pro Plus base variant price in China is around 2099 yuan. If we convert it into the pound, is around 251 pound. You will get the buying link in the description section soon. Let's talk about the conclusion. Redmi Note 11T Pro Plus has also achieved a progress in performance, whether it is a performance of the Dimensity 8100 or the fast charging of 120 watt power. It's greatly satisfied with the performance party desire and demand for the mobile phone performance. Although the Redmi Note 11T Pro Plus has problem caused by the material defects such as the large bezels, the excellent hardware performance has also recovered the visual experience. So what you guys think about it? What is the max you pay for the Redmi Note 11T Pro Plus? Tell your thought in the comment section below. If you have any question, just comment below and I will see you soon. Also give this video thumbs up and make sure to share with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, me signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.